In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Chrome if it keeps crashing on Windows 11. It's a common issue, but thankfully, there are several straightforward steps you can take to resolve it. Whether you're experiencing crashes when opening the browser or at random times, we'll go through each method to help you get your Chrome back up and running smoothly. First, let's ensure your Chrome browser is up to date. It's essential to have the latest version, as updates often include bug fixes and improvements that could resolve crashing issues. Open Chrome, click on the three-dot menu in the upper right corner. Go down to Help and then select About Google Chrome. Here you'll see whether your Chrome is up to date, or if there's a pending update. If an update is available, it should start downloading automatically. Next, if updating didn't solve the problem, consider clearing the browsing data. Over time, your cache and cookies can build up and, in some cases, cause stability issues. Go back to the three-dot menu, choose Settings, and find Privacy and Security on the left panel. Under that, click on Clear Browsing Data. Here you can choose a time range, but for thoroughness, select All Time. Check the boxes for cookies and other site data and cached images and files, then hit Clear Data. This process might log you out of some sites, so make sure you have your passwords handy or stored safely. If crashes still occur, the next step is to troubleshoot extensions. Extensions can enhance your browsing experience, but they can also cause conflicts. Try disabling them one by one to identify if a specific extension is at fault. Go to the three-dot menu, hover over More Tools, then click on Extensions. Here you can toggle off each extension. After disabling an extension, check if Chrome's performance improves. Sometimes, the issue might be related to your graphics settings. Chrome uses hardware acceleration to improve performance, but this feature can occasionally lead to crashes. To disable hardware acceleration, go into the Settings, scroll down to System, and toggle off Use Hardware Acceleration when available. After doing this, relaunch Chrome and monitor if the crashes cease. Lastly, if none of these solutions work, you may need to reset Chrome to its default settings. This option should be your last resort, as it will remove your home page, tabs, and other settings. However, it won't delete your bookmarks or saved passwords. To do this, go to Settings, find Reset and Clean Up on the left panel, and select Restore Settings to their original defaults and reboot Chrome. By following these steps, hopefully, you've been able to address the issue. It might be worth considering reinstalling Chrome completely or consulting more advanced technical support. Thank you for watching, and I hope these tips help you enjoy a smoother browsing experience in the future.